Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are doing well. This is your tutor Ms. Javedia Mas, and I am back with my another video lecture. This video lecture is again um, one of the requested one of the most requested one, as one of my student subscriber Mahanur asked me to make video on laws of reflection. This is from chapter number 13 and it is about grade metric. So before starting laws of reflection, one should know what reflection is. So basically, reflection is a phenomena in which a body, a light, whenever it strikes on a surface, it first fall on the object, then reflect away from it. For suppose this is, I'm taking example of sun over here, striking over this object and then getting reflected back. As here some of the light enters a medium and some of it is reflected back. This is called your reflection. Or we can say that when the light is spreading from a source and it strikes on a medium, then a part of it sent back into the same medium or reflected, or some of the part is absorbed and transmitted into some other medium. So basically reflection is what? Whenever a light strikes on a surface that is arriving from one medium, falls on or strikes on another medium, some of the part either comes back into the same medium or some of the part is reflected back, we can say like this, and a part is absorbed and transmitted into other one, and this is called what? Pure reflection. When we talk about laws of reflection, first we are making a figure. Like this is what? This is your a mirror having a polished surface. This is your smooth reflecting surface. Let's say there is a source of light that strikes or incident on it. Keep in mind this is incident ray or incident light. Some of the part is reflected like this. Okay, this is reflected one, and in order to make there is an angle, there is a normal line. Okay, so this is a normal line or a 90-degree, and it is making angle incident or angle R with this, and this is what your normal line. So the incident ray is reflected from a reflected surface, and let's say this point is called O, this is called your point A, and this is called your point B. So an incident ray OA falls on a surface, strikes on a surface and reflected back as OB. The angles angle of incident or angle I or angle R or angle of reflected are the angles, and a perpendicular is drawn to the point of incident. This is called O. So these angles are basically found to be the same in magnitude. So the scientists found them in same in magnitude. That is why the first law of reflection says what? Says that the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, and the second law of reflection says that the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal ray all lie on same plane. let's define both of these laws with the help of figure. The first law says the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Very simple. And the second law says that incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal ray all lie on the same plane. That this is your object on it is falling, and this is what this is called its plane. So I hope you understand this lecture as well. If you have any query regarding today's lecture or any other lecture, you can do ask me in the comment section. Also, if any of you have any query regarding any topic, you can do ask me to make a video on it, so that I'll make that topic easy for you all. Kindly please do subscribe the channel, do like and share the video. Allah Hafiz till the next lecture.